Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be telling you about what all things you can do to study communication system. Communication system is a subject which is purely related to electronics branch. A lot of people, a lot of students struggle understanding this subject. That's why I thought I will make a video on how you can approach this subject, what all things I have done and what you should not do to understand this subject, and you can use my experience to understand this subject in a very short span of time. Okay, most of the students will be maybe economically poor. For those, I have my playlist, analog communication playlist, digital communication playlist, information theory playlist. But if you are looking for professional guidance, then it's better to have a professional coach or professional guide who can guide you throughout this subject, because you won't be able to understand on your own. I've written some points when I was in college, how I used to prepare and what all things I did. I will first tell you these, and then later on I'll tell you what all sources you should follow, so that in minimum time you will be able to grasp this subject. Okay, so the first thing, when I was in college, I was preparing for GATE from second year itself, and I used to follow the textbooks which were provided by the libraries, and there I saw some of the standard textbooks in foreign author as well as Indian author. So Indian author I know of is BP Lathi, and another Simon Akin. These two books are very famous. If you are looking for a easier language, then BP Lathi will be the book which you should follow. Digital communication, I think it is name is. Then Simon Akin book, a small one, that will be helpful for understanding passband and baseband modulation stuff, analog modulation part, plus in digital side you will understand baseband modulation, passband modulation, that's it. But if you are looking for noise analysis, specifically to understand noise analysis, random variable, random process part, then few other books are there, which is Procase, Kennedy, and then Shom series are also there, analog and digital communication. Shom series is much more easier note, but Procase and Kennedy will be tougher actually to read. So if you want everything, all the topics related to communication, like analog communication, digital communication, info theory, noise analysis, both in analog as well as digital, then you won't be finding this in any book. Okay, so I used to study these books in library, Simon Akin, BP Lathi, Shom series. Procase I was not able to understand anything, so I skipped it. I was trying to understand from college class notes or coaching class notes, but I was not able to attend the coaching all the time, means I had very hectic schedule, so I was missing a lot of lectures. So I can tell you that for random process, random variable, you will need professional guidance for noise analysis as well, because real life examples and connecting the subject to the real world, it will be very difficult, and I think very less people will in our country know about this subject in such a level that they can teach you and make you visualize the subject in practical way. You need to put your efforts only. The two professors I would say, or the two lecturers I would say, which you can follow professionally, is one Naresh Reddy sir from Made Easy. You will get his module course in his website, in their website, that you can purchase. I'm not telling you to purchase all the courses, I'm just telling you the teacher name. Specifically teacher you should target for a subject. I'm telling you Naresh Reddy sir from Made Easy, and another is R. Mulli Prasad sir, which I think he was teaching in ACE Academy, but now he's going to retire, almost he's going to retire, he's very aged. But you will find his lectures on Prep Ladder app. You will find his lectures, and I will suggest you to read from or study from this guy only, Mulli sir. Second priority I will give to Naresh Reddy sir, because Mulli sir is much more senior, much more experienced, I feel, and you will find his course in Prep Ladder with very small amount. Okay, so that's why I am telling you to prefer him. He will give you the noise analysis, random variable, random process part in such a great depth. You will definitely enjoy it. He will teach in such a manner that you will need only 200 pages of copy, and that's it. Your communication will be good. Then what else? Mulli sir will not crack any jokes during his class. He will always be aligned to his curriculum, and his lectures will be very serious. So be prepared for that. Sometimes Naresh Reddy sir will crack jokes. You will really like it. His aura of teaching will be very good. Any of these two teachers you can follow. Better to follow Mulli sir, because he may get retired. His video lectures you might find or not, I don't know, but in Preparator I have seen it, I have personally used it, and I am just referring it to you as well. They are not didn't told me about promoting these things. Okay, I am just giving them my genuine advice. Then what else? This is about books, right? If you want to follow video lectures, you can find their video lectures, or you can follow the Postal coaching as well, because Postal will give you the books, contents, everything in one single place. Plus also you will get questions to practice from. There are practice sets, conventional practice sets, objective practice sets that will be useful for you to have better grasp of this subject, and it will be much more aligned towards GATE and ES as well. So any Postal you can prefer, but I used Made Easy Postal, so that I can suggest you. Okay, I'm not aware of other coaching institutes. Then in YouTube you will find very bookish type of knowledge. Lot of people have made communication playlist. You won't find that you won't find that the courses connected to much more practical world. So that's why I won't suggest to go for this subject in any playlist except mine, because I have made in that manner so that it will be much more easier, and I have studied from different sources and I have accumulated it there. So that's why I told you to refer those playlists. Then guidance is must. I told you, don't study the subjects in chunks, as if you are studying one topic from one playlist and another topic from another playlist. That will be very difficult for you to understand the subject. First attempt only you should take the professional guidance if you are able to, and in first attempt only you should study with these peoples which I told you. That will be very helpful. Else you will keep on studying this subject and you won't get the clear idea about how you wanna attempt these questions related to this subject. Then if you are wondering, the lectures from NPTEL also I have watched. Vikas Kumar De's lectures on digital communication, and Surendra Prasad's lectures on digital communication. These two playlists I have followed in NPTEL, but I must tell you that you won't get everything here as well. If you will follow all 50 minutes lectures, around 20-25 lectures will be there. You will get content of maybe one lecture useful to you. So that's why the NPTEL courses are very good, but they are not aligned to these exams. They are for general studies. Okay, means if you want to have general idea of the subject, not confined to ES or GATE, then only you should follow those. Okay, I won't suggest you these things. I have done in my time, but I will suggest you to follow directly Mulli Prasad sir lecture. His course will be very long, but very extensive. You will be able to understand everything. Again, I will tell you, communication system is a base subject. It will require prerequisite of signals and systems. You should be thorough with signal and system. Whenever you will get a practical question related to communication, involve signals and systems and then communication subject what you have studied, you will definitely able to understand the question, which questions will be asked, and you will be able to answer it. This will be very helpful in your interviews. That's why I am telling you. Plus this is a base subject. This will be helpful in satellite communication, optical fiber communication, microwave communication, computer networks. These advanced communication topics will be on top of this subject only. So basic transmission reception of signals you should be able to understand, how noise affects it, how you calculate the SNR and all these things. These are very important, and you should take this subject very seriously if you are from electronics background. Plus you will have companies, private companies, if you will do masters. After masters you will have private companies solely working on communication profile only, RF and communication combined. You will make small modules or products which is based on RF and communication subject. Okay, so this subject you should be understanding very well. I hope I am giving you a better feel, and I've gave you enough idea of what I have done and how I want you to proceed with this subject in future. So hopefully you will get some help from this video. In next video I'll be trying to cover some other subject, most probably EMT, how I tackled that subject and what all things I will suggest you to study that subject, so that you won't waste a lot of time, and in short period of time you will be able to understand that subject, and you will be able to visualize practically as well. Okay, so this was it. I'll meet you in next video then. Bye bye.